You guys, I'm so excited. My new beauty organizers are here from Sony Cosmetics. They did send these over, but they also gave me a discount code for you guys. So you could use my code BritanyRaquell to save 20%, which is a really good discount. So what I'm gonna do now is unbox all these. I got so many different ones for like all different categories of the makeup. So these are meant to fit perfectly into the Alex 5 drawers that I have. So that's where we're gonna be putting them in. So freaking excited. Oh, that's so cute. Look, it's like little hearts on the bubble wrap. So I'm just gonna open all these up. I got a little too excited opening all these. I didn't even notice I cut myself with my box cutter. Be careful, guys. Okay, I got the finger taken care of with my little Band-Aid. Moving on. Oh my gosh, guys, did you see that? My cats are freaking crazy right now. They're driving me nuts. So these are what all the containers look like. And let me just tell you, these are really good quality. Like they're super heavy and really thick, like and sturdy, but they don't have like that ugly cast where it's like green or blue. They're simply just clear. And so now it's time to clean up all the mess that comes along with opening a new box. So my setup has definitely changed from the last time I filmed a makeup organization video. So I kind of wanted to show you guys that. So as you guys could see, we moved my vanity and lights and everything over here with the rest of my makeup, just because it's more convenient that way. I know it's not the most glamorous with all these lights and wires and stuff, but that's just how it is and how it works. And then I have the containers over here, but now this way forward, we have all like our living area stuff, but we're not gonna go too much into that. I still store most of my makeup in these containers right here, which are from the Container Store, but we are going to be moving some of this makeup into the new containers. And then my Alex 5 drawers, I believe is what they're called, are over here, and these need major organizing. Like it's embarrassing how unorganized these are, which is why I'm so excited about these new containers. And then up here we have a mess. So this is some PR and just makeup I need to put away in these little containers right here. I also bought this recently from Home Goods just for more storage, and it already has filled up with just new PR and makeup I need to go through. I also am going to change out my everyday makeup drawer per usual because it's already a mess. So I think I'm first going to start by switching out my lipstick drawer into the new containers, just because I have really old acrylic organizers inside of this thing to help organize it, and I got the new lipstick one, so I think that would be better in here, and then I could just put something maybe bigger in this drawer. So let's start with this. Excuse my cat's tail. So I already started putting the bullet lipsticks in here. I also brought out my liquid lipsticks just in case they fit as well. We're gonna see whatever we could fit in here, but look how satisfying this is. Like they fit so perfectly in these little containers. Like, oh my gosh. I don't know if you could tell, but look at when this expired, guys. 2018. Oh my gosh, I'm getting rid of all of these. They're really old. So we still have some room, so I'm gonna try to fit some liquid lipsticks in there now. We are done with the lipsticks. So most of my liquid lipsticks and bullet lipsticks are in here. These are all the liquid lipsticks that didn't fit, but it's okay. I was going to keep some in here anyways. And then obviously we have some that I'm going to put in my everyday makeup drawer, but look how organized it looks. So I was opening this drawer to clean it out so we could switch it up. And look what I found. More liquid lipsticks. Yay. So they actually didn't all fit. So what I'm going to do is just mix some liquid lipsticks and lip glosses for this container. That actually worked out perfectly. Look how well they fit, and I even have some extra room. OFRA is obviously really generous to me. I love them so much. They found me after the show and they've shown me support ever since. But next up, we are gonna do compacts. So I'm gonna put all my compacts from OFRA in here along with the other brands as well and see how many we could fit. I have 2 of the compact drawer things or containers, and then that one is even bigger. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do do with that one yet. But for now, let's clean out this drawer. Excuse my drawers, by the way, they're like stained. I've had them for so many years, but I am gonna clean them. So this is where I have my other compacts. I have a little bit in here, and then most of them are in here. So I'm gonna take both these drawers out and see what we could fit in there. So what I ended up doing with this drawer was making it a highlighter drawer. These are not all my highlighters, but it's most of like the compact ones. The other ones were like in face palettes and stuff like that. But yeah, I like it. I put some right here because they didn't all fit in the containers and I still had a little bit, but there's some room if you like push it back. I believe this one is the same size. I went ahead and cleared out another drawer and put this compact one in there, but this time I think I'm gonna put blushes in this one. So yeah, I think that will be perfect. I'm not gonna do a time lapse for all these because I don't want you guys to get bored. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this and then I'll show you what it looks like after. So here's all the ones that ended up fitting. I still have a lot of room because most of them are like bulky like these. Like they can't fit in there. So I saw this bigger one and it's like perfect for all of these to go in here. It's so satisfying. Even these bigger ones, probably in the back, could fit. I'm just gonna have to put them maybe like in a bigger drawer, but they fit really good in here. What about the Benefit? Let's try the Benefit. Ooh, maybe the Benefit I could put side by side. Yes, that'd be perfect. Yes, that worked out perfectly. Look, all my big compacts are in here. Now I'm gonna fill this one, which is like little squares. I think I'm gonna use it for my primers because right now I have all my foundations and primers together and setting sprays, all this, and it's overflowing as you guys could see. So I'm gonna start with the primers. Okay, I'm first gonna start with the ones like in boxes. Oh no, is it not gonna fit? Why doesn't it fit? Maybe not these ones. What will fit? What's gonna fit in here? I don't know. What the heck? Oh, the foundations will fit. Okay, maybe I'll do foundations in here. So these are the foundations I got to fit in here. I still have some room, but this looks so much better. It's not overflowed anymore. I have like primers and then all the foundations that didn't fit in here and then setting sprays. So looking a lot better. I found this in the foundations and it's completely empty. So I'm gonna get rid of this. And then this stuff I'm gonna save for a giveaway and get rid of this too because I have so many Professionals and Urban Decay primer potions. So this is one of the drawers I already had from the container store, but I took some of the compacts out and put them in the compact drawers. So now I have this extra space, but in here I have all my concealers and cream bronzers and blushes. So I actually have some more room in here. So what I think I'm gonna do with those extra little slots is put all my sponges in here because right now I don't have a home for them. These ones. Okay, now I'm working on the smaller one. It has like really skinny slots, so I'm putting my small eyeshadow palettes in this one. So I still have a bunch of room in this drawer, so I'm gonna add these little sparkles. I got these from Amazon. Okay, next up, I have this really cool one that's like for single eyeshadows, and right now I have them in this drawer right here, but they're kind of like just stacked on top of each other, so I think they'll be better in here. Oh my gosh, guys, look what I found. More lipsticks. I didn't even know these were in here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to put these with these up here since I have room, so at least the lip products could be together. But let's see how these fit into here. It fits perfectly. Yay! I'm gonna put all my MAC together. Look how pretty it is. So I have it by brand. We have like MAC, Suva Beauty, Butter London, MAC, Tarte, ColourPop, Urban Decay, Hourglass, and then these are just like glitters. And then I kept these in here, the ones that didn't fit, but I have so much more space now. So I'm gonna put these single shadows in this drawer, and I'm gonna move all this stuff, which is like my art supplies, and this drawer. So these are the only two containers I didn't end up using, but honestly I'll probably use these in my bathroom for some skincare. But what I did now is I cleaned off my desk, so the glass is nice and clear now, but the inside is still a big mess. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take all the products I want to put back in my collection into my collection, and then put the new products, which are all over here in a mess, into here, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Usually I would go through each product, tell you what I'm putting back and what I'm keeping in here, but I don't want this video to be too long. So those are my lashes, they're all messed up. And then palettes, that's what's in here right now, and so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, I am completely done. Sorry if there's a glare and the lighting is weird, but let's go over the stuff on top of my desk first. So I added this blush up here. It's a cream blush. It just did not fit in my little containers. I added some new brushes up here. My bling brushes are all the same. And then we added some new stuff over here. Oh, and I finished this all the way up. This is the Patrick Ta She's Thirsty setting spray. I love this stuff. I'm gonna buy some during the BIB sale to restock, so I have to throw that out. And this I decided to declutter. Who remembers this? This is the Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana powder. Oh my gosh, memories, but I'm gonna declutter that. Then I've been loving moisturizing primers before my foundation, so I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury one or the Juno & Co. This one's kind of a dupe for this one. Then we just have some micellar water. This is my little skincare and powder drawer. So we have my Got to Be, my toner, my Glow Recipe skincare, all that kind of stayed the same. I'm still trying to finish this Versali spray. We have the Professional setting spray. I added this one from Item Beauty to try out. I also have been loving this product from Good Molecules. It's a Wake Me Up gel. I've also added the new Glow Recipe avocado serum. I've been loving this too. Ignore my cats over there, they're trying to play. I've also really been loving this Charlotte Tilbury spray. So yeah, and oh, I added the Jaclyn Hill Luminous powder. And then these two are just the ones I always use, the Laura Mercier and the Lancome. I'm almost done with my Lancome. Okay, so moving on to the actual drawers. I'm really stocked up this time because I have so much stuff I want to use. Okay, so for highlighters, I have the Natasha Love Cheek Duo. This actually has a cream blush in it as well, so I want to use that. We have the new ColourPop one, the Valentine's Day collection. It's the Pink Truffle. The Dior one I just wanted to keep in here because it's my favorite. This is the Rose Gold Base Palette. For powder foundation, I have the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Powder, which is super viral. Then I have another highlight in here. This is the Milk and Cookies from OFRA, super pretty gold. My sunscreen I always have in here, the COTS one. We have the KVD Foundation Balm. I've been loving this. Also the Dragon Beauty Powder because I want to start trying that out. My one size because it's just one that I always use. I love it. The one size Skin Blur Primer. I've still been trying that out. And then this is a newer one I added, the Makeup Revolution Pore Perfecting Primer. I also added this. It's a little bit too dark for me, but all the foundations I added are too light, so it's gonna be perfect to like mix with them. So speaking of foundations, I put the Morphe one in here. Even though it kind of burns my skin when I put it on, it's fine after that, so I want to try it out. And then the ColourPop one is just a little bit light. I also kept the Gucci foundation in here just because I feel like I didn't use it that much this month, so I just kept that in here along with the primer. And then this Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow primer as well. For concealer, I have the new one from Tarte, the Ultra Creamy, my favorite one from Too Faced, the Multi Sculpting. That pretty much stays in here all the time. I also have this Makeup Forever one that I'm trying to go through, and then just more Tarte Shape Tape. And then I also put the new one that I got. It's not new to everybody, but it's new to me. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating. Another new primer, the NYX Marshmallow Primer, the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream Rare Beauty, just because I've been loving that. A new primer from Pure Lease that I haven't tried, an eye base from Beauty Bay, and then the rest are lip products. So we have the new Jaclyn liquid lipsticks, a lip gloss from Laura Mercier, one of the Alamar ones I've been loving, Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and Pillow Talk, and then the Marc Jacobs lip gloss just because I love it for a good nude. Oh, I also have my ColourPop freckle pen in here. I've been loving this for e-girl looks or just like really soft girl looks. And then the Nabla lip plumper. I had that in here last time, but I still haven't tried it. I added some of my more bougie lipsticks in here because I felt like I wasn't using them. So I have a Pat McGrath one, another Charlotte Tilbury, ColourPop lipstick I just bought, a Kylie one I got for free, a Dior one I got in Influencer, and then a new lip oil from Florence, and then this Fenty lip balm just because I've been liking that one. Oh, and I also added this lip mask from Fourth Ray to try out. Moving on to this little section, so I've been using the new NYX Glue Brow Gel, and then also the new Charlotte Tilbury products for brows I've been loving. I have all her pencils in here because I've just been liking them all together. Eye drops, my Anastasia eye primer, my Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner. I'm almost done with that. My mascaras, I usually have like my Thrive one. I like that for under lashes, but I did add this one, the They're Real Magnet, to try out. And I also added this Charlotte Tilbury one as well to try. And then the rest are all lip products, I believe, which I will show you. So like I said, I have the new Jaclyn Hill liquid lipsticks. There's one over here too. Not everything like fits together, so I just kind of like put it everywhere. This new Kaja lipstick, all the Nikita Dragon ones that I bought in recently. I have the Maybelline Sky High mascara in here just because I've been loving it, and then a whole bunch of like different lip liners and another eyeliner. I kind of skipped over this foundation, but I have the NARS Soft Matte in here. I feel like I only used this a couple times and then I never really tried it out, but the color's a little off, so I'm probably gonna mix it, but I am gonna keep trying that out. All this stuff right here kind of stayed the same. I have like a brow gel and then like some single shadows. Right here I have these new liquid shadows from Beauty Bay to try out, and then some cream blushes. I have the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable, and then all the e.l.f. ones right here. And then I added this Milk bronzer stick just because it could help warm up the foundations I have in here. Plus I love that stick, so I wanted to keep it in here. And then my lashes pretty much stayed the same. I just added some more to the drawer. Now for palettes. Okay, so I completely like changed everything out. I think the only thing I kept in here was the Glamlight Ice Cream palette, just because I think that's good for spring. I also kept this in here from OFRA, the bronzer and blush duos, just because I've been enjoying that. I also have an OFRA face palette and eye palette, so it's kind of like all in one. And then I have these new Laura Mercier blushes that I really wanted to try out. They're in all different colors. That's what they look like, but they sent over all their new colors, so I really want to try them out because I don't think I've tried their blushes. So I have them all right here. I have this new highlighter, the ColourPop 9-pan palettes, because they sent me a lot of them, so I want to try them. They're perfect for spring. I have this new palette that I got in my Ipsy box. I also have this liquid eyeshadow in here just to use, a Lottie London eyeshadow palette, a Lottie London highlighter palette, this new one from Profusion, a Makeup Revolution one that has like more pinks in there, and then also my ColourPop pink palette, and then of course the Jaclyn Hill bronzer duos that I've been loving. And so yeah, that's everything in that drawer. Coming over here to my little cart, so on this top drawer I just have some new products that I need to haul, but I've been using them because of TikTok. And then down here I have some skincare that I need to put away. This one just has random MAC stuff. The bottom one has like giveaway products. And that is everything. I have all my PR in like a closet right now, so I'm not gonna use that until I haul it, and then I'll probably put the new products in here until I switch out my desk again. And so that is gonna be everything for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Where's my makeup wipe?